Hello, Affinity Group. Happy Wednesday. I'm talking to you today about how you go about getting yourself set up on Copilot Elevate. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to look for this email. It's going to be called "You have been invited to join Copilot." It's going to be from copilot@perts.net. Your timestamp is going to be slightly different than mine, so pay no attention to the timestamp. But do know that your link will expire. So you're going to click there to activate your account. To activate your account, it's going to take you to a jump screen where you just put in your password that you want to use, and it's going to bring you to this home page. And it's going to give you the option to add rosters when you click into the affinity group. Infinity group, apparently. All right. So you're going to click here. You're going to add a section or a name. So I did a dummy one before just to see how it worked. So I'm going to call this one English 3 Section 2. All right, that's 10th. Save changes. So this is the part where we need you to be a little specific. So you are going to add roster participants. It's not going to be the way that it says here. So what you're going to do is you're going to use the spreadsheet that Zach made for us. You're going to put your kids' names in there, and you're only going to identify your students by a number on the spreadsheet. So for instance, if you have 30 kids in your class, you're going to number those kids 001, 002, 003, all the way up to 030. And wherever they fall in that alphabetical range, the number that's associated with that is what it is. So once you get that spreadsheet, all you're going to have to do is copy and paste those numbers. For the sake of not having any roster right now, I'm going to just show you how that looks. You have to have 3 digits. If you don't have 3 digits, it won't do it. And then all you're going to do when you're done adding in your students by number is save that. Now, the point of the spreadsheet, the reason to do that step is so that you can remember which student is which number when you go back to look at the data, and that'll help you with that. So that is what you need to do to get set up on the PERTS platform. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Zach or Christina or myself, and we'll gladly help you get wherever you need to be. And have a great rest of your week.